Come guys, let us all rejoice at the moment when YouTube is down, because from the past 5 minutes I was not able to log into my YouTube account. It is such a shame. We all have again fallen to the same rabbit hole. Now let us move on to Twitter and let's see what is the status of YouTube. YouTube is down from the past 10 minutes it seems, because the hashtag YouTube down is trending. Now let us investigate the main reason behind the fall of YouTube. Why is YouTube down? Whenever I was logging to my YouTube account, it was showing the same error. There was a problem with the server. So again, all these people have come to Twitter to vent out their emotions on the YouTube down tweet. The hashtag is really trending right now. See, it is really a shame that it is showing 400, that's an error. The server cannot process the request because it is malformed. It should not be retired. I don't know, man. If YouTube is down, I cannot do anything. We really have to do something. However, if you search for YouTube, you will see the home page of YouTube, but you will not be able to log into your account. See, this is the problem. So I don't know. First I was thinking that my Wi-Fi was not working. But then I searched, although Google was working, so I searched on Google and then saw the trending hashtag YouTube down. And then I came to Twitter, in my personal Twitter handle. Then I saw this hashtag trending on Twitter. Although some people are telling that Gmail is working, but also Gmail was not working according to me. Now let me see whether Gmail is working or not. So as you can see, Gmail is also not working for me. So it seems in some way or the other the entire G Suite is not working once again. And the world is in a bit of frenzy, and it was a very unfortunate event that all these things are happening at the same time. But till now, nothing has been informed to us as if why this is not working. Yeah. Everyone is running to Twitter to check what's going on with YouTube. And that is what I am also doing right now. But what can be the matter? Do tell me, guys. So this is one update which I wanted to inform all of you guys. So I don't know till how much time this problem is going to persist. But anyways, let us hope that this problem is resolved in a matter of a few minutes. Let's see what is going to happen next.